Hi, what's the value of a? Given that you have a times a times a divided by a plus a plus a equals 6. A times a will give us a to the power of 3 divided by a plus a plus a will give us 3a equals 6. Then from here, let us multiply 2 by 3. So we have 3 times a to the power of 3 divided by 3a equals 6 times 3. So from here, this 3 will cancel this 3. So we are going to have a to the power of 3 divided by a equals 6 times 3 will give us 18. Remember from the law of indices, when you have a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m, this can be simplified as a to the power of n minus m. From the law of indices, this one has power 1, so we can have it as a to the power of 3 minus 1 equals 18. We have it to be a square equals 18. So to eliminate this square, we can have this one to be root of a square equals positive or negative root of 18. So from here, we have this as this root, we cancel this power 2, we have a to be equals positive or negative root of 18. So we can have this to be equals positive or negative. 18 can be simplified as 9 times 2. So remember, when you have root of a times b can be simplified to be equals square root of a multiplied by square root of b. So when we apply it here, we are going to have a to be equals positive or negative root of 9 multiplied by root of 2. So we have our a to be equals positive or negative root of 9 will give us 3 multiplied by root 2. So finally, we have a to be equals positive or negative 3 root 2 as this. Then let us check where we have a times a divided by a plus a equals 6. But we have a to be equals positive or negative root of, we have 3 root 2. You know, we have the first one to be a. Let's call it case 1, where we are going to have a to be equals 3 root 2. So from here, we are going to have it to be 3 root 2 multiplied by 3 root 2 multiplied by 3 root 2. Then all divided by 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2. Then is it going to give us 6? So from here, 3 root 2 times 3 root 2 times 3 root 2, we are going to have it as 3 root 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by this 3 root 2, we open bracket, this divided by this, we have 1, plus this divided by this, we have 1, plus this divided by this, we have it to be 1. Then is it going to give us 6? So from here, we have 3 root 2, all in bracket to the power of 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 3. Then divided by 3 root 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 3. Then is it going to give us 6? So from here, when you have a, all a multiplied by b, all in parentheses to the power of 2 equals a square multiplied by b square. So when we apply it here, we have 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by root 2 to the power of 3. Then This 3 times 3 will give us 9, divided by 9, multiplied by root 2. Then it's going to give us 6. So from here, we have 3 to the power of 2 will give us 27, divided by 9. This we have root 2 to the power of 3, divided by root 2. Then it's going to give us 6. So recall, when you have a to the power of n divided by a to the power of m equals a to the power of n minus m. So how do you have the same base? You can subtract the power. So this and this have the same base. We can have it as 27 divided by this will give us 3, multiplied by root 2 to the power of, this one has power 1. So we have 3 minus 1. Then it's going to give you 6. We have 3 multiplied by root 2. 3 minus 1 will give you 2. Then it's going to give you 6. So from here, this and this will cancel. So we have 3 into 2 is going to give us 6. 3 times 2 will give us 6 equals 6. As this. So let's also check for case 2, where we have a to be equals minus 3 root 2. So we're going to have this to be minus 3 root 2 multiplied by minus 3 root 2 multiplied by minus 3 root 2 divided by minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is going to give you 6. So from here we have minus 3 root 2 all in parentheses to the power of 3, then divided by minus 3 root 2 into 3, then it's going to give you 6. From here we have minus 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by root 2 to the power of 3 divided by minus 6 root 2. Then it's going to give you 6. This minus will cancel this minus. We have 27 divided by, here will be 9. Then here will be root 2 to the power of 3 minus 1. Then it's going to give you 6. 27 divided by 3, divided by 9 will give you 3. This we have it to be root 2 to the power of 2. This will cancel this. So we have here to be 6 equals 6. If you are new and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos. Bye bye.